The biggest thrill for LS Automotive Mexico is to see our products give a unique and incredible experience to each one of our partners. Every part we make is born from an extensive process involving a strategic location, the most cutting-edge technology, and a committed work team with the skills to go beyond the expected and deliver an utmost beautifully crafted work that delights every one of our clients. But great results are not something we try to achieve every once in a while. It is something we must do every day. And to do that, we must set a solid groundwork with a systemized process that ensures our quality and fulfillment of our objectives. Material planning and procurement.
This process starts with the production control and logistics department, where we create the material import purchase order. When the transportation unit arrives to LSAM, we unload the materials, check the packing condition, and ensure the request is fulfilled using the packing list.
If the requested material is incomplete or in bad shape,
it will be placed in quarantine area for further inspection. Material warehouse.
Once we ensure the material arrival as requested,
we proceed with our reception scanning process. Using a PDA, this process helps us identify the materials that are required to undergo inspection by
incoming quality control area
from the ones that can be directly stored. These help us ensure the best quality even before production begins.
Incoming quality control, IQC.
We gradually deposit the arrived materials where our trained staff
performs the corresponding visual and system-based inspections.
Everything informed with our QMS system based on AQL standard.
All complying material
is to our warehouse facility where, according to it, is stored under FIFO method in one of three locations: racks, consumables cage, and thermohydrostat warehouse, thus ensuring material quality and company's safety standards. Production planning and control. Our planning process begins with our sales team. Using the customer's forecast and request, a constantly updated sales plan is developed as the basis for the following planning stages. The production control team will develop a production plan that meets the sales plan needs and will schedule workstations accordingly through systems create work orders. In order to comply with a production plan, a reservation order of all necessary materials will be prepared,
and the material warehouse will provide production area with the reserved items according to FIFO method.
SMD, PCB, and assembly.
The nature of our process entails certain electrostatic risk.
That's why we consider the security of our staff to be one of the utmost serious matters in our company. That's why we give each of our employees that require equipment to decrease electrostatic level after validating that their electrostatic level is low, and then walk through a floor vacuum and a cleaning booth to remove remaining dust particles. This helps us to maintain the product clean. To ensure the quality of our products, we must take several steps to go beyond ordinary and achieve greatness. That's why our staff must enter their credentials into our production panel and confirm they have the authorization level required for the specific job. This tactile system, called POP, contains the record of every employee in our facility along with their skill level.
If the employee is authorized to produce the task given,
the production system will automatically unlock and let the production begin. Additionally, our system requires for every employee to perform daily checkups based on the 5S methodology. Bomb check, control check sheet, and master sample check to ensure efficiency
and reliability in every station.
When our staff knows the production plan, they perform a reservation order for the material through our internal system. This allows communications across areas to maintain the required level of raw material needed for production and safe levels of product keeping in our warehouse facilities. After entering the production plan, Our system confirms the material according to the request and organizes it to continue the process seamlessly. Our products contain electronic cards produced directly in our facilities. These ensure our partners that they are receiving parts that function with our expected quality standards. And in order to ensure these standards, previous preparations must be made. That's why our staff must check one last time everything is in order for production. Before we start production, every material is verified by our MES system and installed in the requested equipment to verify everything will work according to production plan. Once the production process begins, a container is loaded to the machine and a code bar is printed in each card. Every code is inspected automatically, and then we apply solder paste printing, and operators check again the quality. The next step is to install every electronic component and continue to our reflow process. When we found our cards, we check final results by a 3D scanner called AOI and move the material to PCB area, where depending on which kind of product we need to create, some tests are performed and our cards are cut accordingly to the required standards. After that, the materials are transferred to our assembly area. Before continue with the production process, we request an inspection to assure that our operations and first product complies with the required standards by POP system to quality team. If our process and product are aligned to requirements, quality team validate to start production. Every step in the production line is equipped with cutting-edge equipment that ensures precision, reduces employee awareness, increases quality and productivity. If a flaw in the equipment or product shortage is presented, the staff can easily report it through our Andon system, which will alert the corresponding areas. The corresponding areas then will immediately receive a text alert indicating the exact location and problem presented to secure a fast response. Once the maintenance staff arrives, they must enter their credentials, so the system allows for modifications. When the problem is solved, the maintenance staff must enter the results in the system for the record, and the system can resume production. To finalize the process, the employees record our finished product in our system, and all our teams are informed in timely manner. Every product must be packed so it can be transferred. OQC. The lot is scanned per box with a PDA in order to follow the FIFO standards. It also must be reviewed in the QMS system to initialize inspections. Prior, the product is tested functionally. It must be scanned through a unique QR code and then pass the functional inspection. This inspection must be performed entirely through functional fixture testers so we can ensure the quality before delivering to our clients. The second type of inspection performed at OQC is the visual and sensitive inspection according to the tables of acceptance quality level. When a product that does not comply with the quality standards is detected, it is identified as NG and is registered in the QMS. Additionally, according BIQS discipline, we join efforts across areas to perform a regularly quality meeting called Fast Response Meeting in order to determine contentions and countermeasures related with rejected product detected internally or with our customers. If the product complies with our quality standards, it is sent to our finished goods warehouse area. Finished goods warehouse. Once the finished product has arrived to our finished goods warehouse, it must be scanned using the PDA before stored. Using FIFO method, our product is sent to our clients according to a previously agreed shipment schedule, thus guaranteeing the shipment's on-time arrival. In our workflow, we don't just combine cutting-edge technology. We also put the commitment and specialization of every one of our employees, working constantly to go beyond standards to develop better quality products every day. We believe every single one in the LS Automotive family was born for greatness. That's why we trust that every step we take is taken firmly to be the best. Go beyond. Go with LS Automotive.